The Scosche SA69 speaker adapter pair is designed for replacing your factory speakers and installing aftermarket 5.25 or 6.5 speakers with up to a 5 1/16 top mount diameter into the factory speaker locations on many domestic and import vehicles. Compatible with 6-inch by 9-inch factory speaker locations. The adapters are made from high-grade built-to-last ABS materials to hold up to the harsh environment of your vehicle's interior. These adapters from Scosche are the perfect solution for your aftermarket speaker install. Upgrade your speakers. Adapters enable you to upgrade your vehicle-specific factory speakers with aftermarket speaker into the factory locations. Speaker compatibility. Fits most 5.25 or 6.5 aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 5 1/16, 129 mm. Not compatible with Oversize 6.5 or 6.75 speakers. See measurements image to verify that your speakers will fit in these adapters. Vehicle compatibility. Fits most import and domestic vehicles with factory 6x9 speakers. See measurements image to verify that these adapters will fit your vehicle. Quality materials. High-grade ABS materials, precision design for a gapless fit between the speaker and the adapter, providing a long-lasting, secure fit. Buy with confidence, backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit with Polk audio speakers in 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. For anyone looking to replace the speakers in their 2013 Grand Caravan, or if you are wondering if these will work with Polk audio speakers, these are perfect. I replaced the stock 6x9 front door speakers with a Polk MM6502 component set, and just because I'm old school, I was going to make my own speaker adapters. That was until I went to Home Depot and saw how much a piece of 1/4 plexiglass was. I have been out of the car audio game for about 20 years and did not know how expensive plexi has become, so I ordered these instead.